This glass bottle has lived more lives than you think. You threw it away, but it refused to die. What really happens after you toss a glass bottle? This isn't trash. It's a 1,250 degrees Celsius comeback story. From street waste to factory fire to your fridge again. Across Europe, recycling is not chaos. It is engineered efficiency. You insert an empty bottle into a reverse vending machine. It scans, it verifies, it rewards. A small refund, but a powerful motivation. These machines pre-sort glass before it ever reaches a factory. Cleaner input, smarter recycling, lower contamination. Before the bottle reaches the plant, its second life has already begun. At the facility, massive loaders dump tons of glass into a feed hall. Sound is thunderous, like controlled destruction. But this isn't waste, it's raw potential. Glass moves onto vibrating screens, dirt falls away, fine debris is filtered out. Then, human eyes take over. Workers remove plastic, paper, unwanted contamination. And then, magnetism. High-powered magnetic separators rip away metal caps instantly. Clean, efficient, relentless. The bottles enter a hammermill. Steel hammers spin with force. Glass shatters. Fragments become tiny crystals known as cullet. And here's the power of recycling. Cullet melts faster than raw materials, saving up to 40% energy. Less fuel, less carbon, more sustainability. Waste has now become optimized fuel for rebirth. Air streams remove leftover labels. But the real intelligence lies ahead. Optical sorting. Laser sensors scan each fragment at incredible speed. Clear, green, brown, separated with microscopic precision. Because in glass manufacturing, color purity is everything. One mistake can ruin an entire batch. There is no room for error. The furnace, 1,250 degrees Celsius. Sorted cullet is blended with silica sand, soda ash, and limestone. Then it enters a gas furnace. Temperature, 1,250 degrees Celsius. Inside, solid becomes liquid. Shards dissolve into molten fire, glowing, flowing. This is not destruction, this is transformation. Engineers design precise molds using advanced CAD systems. Every curve calculated, every millimeter exact. Molten molasses is cut into glowing blobs called gobs. The double blow process. First, compressed air forms a rough shape, the parasite. Second, another blast of air expands it into the final bottle. In seconds, a new bottle stands where broken glass once existed. Cooling and inspection. Fresh bottles move into a cooling tunnel. Cooling too fast would cause cracks, so the temperature drops slowly, controlled. Then, inspection begins. High-speed cameras scan for defects. Even the smallest crack rejected. Only perfection survives. Robotic arms stack flawless bottles onto pallets, wrapped, secured, ready for distribution. From shattered fragments to factory perfection. But the story isn't over. The final destination. At a bottling plant, recycled bottles are washed and sterilized, then filled, capped, sealed, inspected again. Moments later, that same recycled glass now holds Coca-Cola cold, carbonate, ready for the world. Glass does not weaken. It does not lose quality. It can be recycled endlessly, infinite lifetimes. So the next time you throw glass away, remember, you are not discarding it. You are restarting it.